Using fingerprints to unlock your phone has several advantages. It is convenient, secure, accurate, accessible, and efficient. Fingerprint authentication is quick and easy, more secure than traditional passwords or patterns, highly reliable, and can be used for more than just unlocking your phone. This tutorial video will demonstrate how to easily register your fingerprints on your Galaxy S23 Ultra and use biometrics to secure your device. With our simple instructions, you can ensure that your phone is running smoothly and securely. Let's get started. Tap on the Settings app from the app drawer to launch it. Find and tap on Security and Privacy in the Settings menu. Scroll down a bit and tap Biometrics. Tap on Fingerprints to proceed. Enter your current PIN, pattern, or password if prompted. You may read the information on the screen and then tap Continue. Now you're ready to register your fingerprint. Tap Register to proceed. Press and lift your finger until you reach 100%. Follow the on-screen instructions or fingerprint setup wizard to register a new fingerprint. After you have finished adding the fingerprint, tap Done to save it. Congratulations! The newly registered fingerprint will be added to the list of existing fingerprints under the Fingerprints menu, and is now ready for use. To test it out, lock your phone and then place your recently added fingerprint on the lock screen fingerprint recognition sensor to unlock your device. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and sharing the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content that can help other users. Thanks for watching.